Ever wondered how much caffeine is in your morning espresso? Imagine starting your day with a rich, aromatic shot of espresso, its invigorating warmth spreading through you as it kickstarts your morning. But what exactly makes this humble beverage such a potent elixir? Espresso brewing is an art, a delicate dance between water and coffee beans. It begins with high-quality coffee beans, usually of the Arabica or Robusta variety, which are finely ground to a consistency similar to table salt. This fine grind allows for a quick, intense extraction, a process that takes about 25 to 30 seconds. Hot water at a temperature of around 200 degrees Fahrenheit is then forced through the compacted coffee grounds at high pressure. This intense extraction process results in a concentrated coffee drink, known as an espresso shot. Each shot typically contains about 64 milligrams of caffeine, a moderate amount compared to other caffeinated beverages. But here's the kicker. The caffeine content in an espresso shot can vary widely. Factors such as the type of coffee bean, the roast level, and the brewing technique can all influence the final caffeine count. Robusta beans, for example, contain almost twice as much caffeine as Arabica beans. Likewise, a lighter roast will generally yield a more caffeinated shot than a darker roast. So what about those mornings when one shot just doesn't cut it? You might reach for a quadruple shot, also known as a doppio, thinking that you're quadrupling your caffeine intake. But hold on to your coffee cups, because this is where it gets interesting. 4 shots of espresso might sound like a caffeine overload, but in reality, the total caffeine content is likely to be less than you'd expect. While a single shot averages around 64 milligrams of caffeine, 4 shots will contain roughly 256 milligrams. That's certainly a boost, but it's still less than the 310 milligrams you'd get from a 16-ounce brewed coffee. In essence, while espresso may seem like the heavyweight champion of caffeine, it's really all about concentration rather than volume. It's a compact caffeine punch that, when multiplied, still packs a wallop, but not quite the knockout blow you might have imagined. So next time you're savoring that morning shot or 4 of espresso, remember, it's not just about the caffeine kick, but the art, the process, and the exquisite dance of water and coffee beans that make each sip a unique experience.